Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coder Station again. Today in this video, we are going to see how to make a calculator using C programming language. So let's get started with the process. First, we will add the header files and then we will declare the variables we need for our calculator. After that, we will input all the numbers and the operators from the users. Then we will perform the calculations and after that we will display our result. Now let's start with our coding. First we will add our header file, which is the stdio.h file. After that, in our main function, we will add 4 variables. The first one is the operator variable, which will be of char data type. After that, we will add 3 more variables, that is, we will declare 3 more variables, which is num1, num2 and result, which is of the double data type. Then we will ask the user to input the operation, that is, which operation he wants to perform. Here the operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Using the scanf function, we will input the operator from the user. Now we will input the first number from the user by using our print statement and our scanf statement. This number can be a decimal number too. Now we will enter our second number, which is the num2 from the user. Now we are going to use the switch case. This is a functionality in C which we'll be using in our calculator. So first we will pass the operator in our switch statement. The operator actually has the addition, subtraction or division or multiplication value in it. And then our first case will be case plus. Then we will write the result is equal to num1 plus num2, which stores the addition of both the numbers into the result. And here the use of break statement is compulsory, it is must. Then again we will, in our second case, the second case is subtraction. We will subtract the two numbers and store the result, and so on. In the third statement, we will store the multiplication, and in the fourth statement we will be storing our division of the two numbers. Now in our default section, we will print a statement that you have entered the wrong operator. If this default statement executes whenever the user inputs any wrong operator rather than the plus, minus, multiplication or division operator. If the user inputs any other value in it, then it will print this statement. Now we will print our result. The result of the operation is percentage LF plus percentage LF is equal to percentage LF, which is we will display our first number in LF, then the second, and then the result. Now we will execute our code, and this is how our output looks like. Now it is giving us a correct calculation result for our numbers. Now if you want to add something more, which is like if you want to decorate it something, or you want to align it properly, so you can also add some asterisk symbols, asterisk value in it, so it would be looking nice, just like this. Now here I have added the asterisks before my code and after printing the results. And this is how actually it looks. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.